What is skinny fat? Understanding and addressing the problem. By the end of the video you will know about the skinny fat phenomenon, its causes, and the most effective strategies to address it. If you've ever felt frustrated by having a slim frame, but still carrying excess fat, this guide will help you understand and tackle the issue. What is skinny fat? The term skinny fat describes a body type where an individual appears thin, but has a high percentage of body fat and low muscle mass. This condition can result in an unbalanced physique and potential health risks, such as increased susceptibility to metabolic diseases. Causes of skinny fat. Lack of resistance training. One primary cause of a skinny fat physique is the lack of resistance or strength training. Without challenging your muscles, they will not grow or maintain their mass, leading to a higher body fat percentage, even if you are not overweight. Poor nutrition. Consuming a diet high in processed foods and low in protein can contribute to a skinny fat condition. Inadequate protein intake means your body lacks the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle with minimal physical activity contributes to muscle atrophy and fat accumulation. Sitting for prolonged periods without regular exercise can lead to a skinny fat body type. Genetics. Genetics also play a role in determining your body composition. Some individuals may be more predisposed to store fat and have a harder time building muscle due to their genetic makeup. Addressing the skinny fat problem. Step 1. Nutrition. To effectively address a skinny fat physique, prioritize a balanced diet that supports both muscle growth and fat loss. Protein intake. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle repair and growth. Complex carbohydrates. Focus on whole grains, vegetables, and fruits for sustained energy. Healthy fats. Includes sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil for overall health. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Diuretize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Understanding the skinny fat condition is the first step toward addressing it effectively. By focusing on balanced nutrition, incorporating resistance training, staying active, and making positive lifestyle changes, you can transform your body into a healthier and more muscular physique. By the end of this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to tackle the skinny fat problem head-on. Remember, consistency and patience are key to achieving lasting results. Good luck, and let's embark on this journey to a fitter, healthier you.